In this vlog, we will see how to make the orientation changes in grid view. So in the previous tutorials, we have seen how to create a grid view and the staggered grid view in Flutter applications. So whenever you are dealing with the portrait and landscape modes, the way the grid view looks changes, right? So what I mean, whenever you are loading a grid view in portrait mode, you will be having two rows, for example. So whenever you change the orientation to landscape, you might be having three or four rows, right? So we will see in this tutorial how do we make those orientation changes. So now let us start our coding by initializing with the void main, and here we are considering the default class myApp extending the stateless widget here. So here we are returning a material app, and inside which we have considered the home, and we have extended a class orientation list here. So it's a stateless widget again. So here we are returning a scaffold here providing an app bar, and inside the body we have provided an orientation builder here so that we can know the orientation changes and act accordingly. So here we have provided the 2 is to 3 as the orientations, like whenever the screen is in the portrait mode, you will be having two columns, and whenever it is in the landscape mode, you will be having a three columns here. So here let us see, we are generating a list of 100 items in our grid view. So this is how the output looks like. So whenever you scroll down, the total 100 items will be loaded. So now you can see there are only two columns, right? So whenever you try to change the orientation here, and now it has become the three columns. So here we have provided the ratio, and you can also alter it. So here you can also alter it according to your requirements. Now let us try and make it the 4 now. So here you can see the four columns are loaded here, and as far as it is possible you can make the orientation changes. And here the five columns are loaded, and again when you back to the portrait mode, and when again you change it back to the portrait mode, you can see the two columns here. So this is how we handle the orientation changes. And if you have any queries regarding the implementation of the grid view, I have provided the implementation in the previous tutorial, and the link I have provided in the description section below. So the code for this tutorial is available in the description section below, and if you are having any queries in the implementation, do let me know in the comment section. And if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content on Flutter.